up, everybody? Got another video coming to y'all today, sponsored by Kemimoto. They were kind enough to send me a enclosure for my X3 since it started getting cold out there. Let's go ahead and get this thing unboxed and see what we're working with. Now they actually sent me, or are going to send me, two different enclosures. I already got the soft one, but the hard enclosure got lost in shipping. They said they're gonna send me that soon. In the meantime, we're gonna go ahead and get this one put on and see how she works. I was kind of surprised by how small of a box it came in for being a full enclosure. All right, this thing. See what we're working with. Look at this. Man, you think it's gonna be nice having some windows for the X3? Uh-huh. Keep us warm on these cold days?
Let's do it.
Came with a product manual.
Wow.
I know, right? A bunch of information. Complete the journey of dreams. Says you need a roof and a windshield. Yeah. Routinely, you have to lubricate and clean the zipper. That's very important. And then it shows you how easy it is to put on. It looks like you just loop it around the doors there, and then you use a little bit of double-sided tape to make sure she sticks good and makes a seal there. We might not do that just because we're gonna be putting the hard metal one in. I got the X3 outside just running and warming up a little bit because it's 20 degrees here, but we're gonna finish getting this thing put on anyways. See how much it helps riding in the cold. All right, we got the two pieces out of the box and laid out over the fan. It's a little cold in here. We're about to see how she looks, see how she fits. I got the lower doors put on my X3. I didn't record that because that's not what this video is about. This video is about this soft enclosure. And I did, without filming, because I didn't want you guys to see me riding the struggle bus, already put it on this side of the machine. You can see she covers up the windows really nice. One thing I'm not going to do that you're supposed to do when you're installing this is peel off all this double-sided tape and stick it down on the machine. The reason I'm not doing that is I have a wrap on my machine. I'm worried it'll mess up the wrap, and I'm not planning on leaving this enclosure on here. I'm going to put the metal enclosure on here whenever it gets here. Yeah, that should give you guys a pretty good idea of what she's gonna end up looking like. Hopefully we get a good sunny day tomorrow and I can park her out there and get some of the wrinkles out of it. Super easy install. This literally took me about 20 minutes to put this thing on. All it is a handful of Velcro straps. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 Velcro straps and then some double-sided tape. Super easy install. I'm gonna finish putting this side on and then I'll take you guys for a little ride so you can see what it's like riding with that enclosure on. And just like that, super easy install. Got her tucked in there. Just so happens that my family walked out here to say hey. Hi. So would you guys want to come along for a ride and see what it's like with the new enclosure? Sure. I think it's gonna be a heck of a lot better than riding without it. Testing out the horn. All right, gotta get out. So you just unzipper. Give her the old flippity floppity. And zip it. You got it. All right. Time to hit the old dusty trail.
Does that mean we're going mudding?
No, we're not going mudding.
Oh, well, you said that the dusty trail's why it's not mudding. Because of what that means, it means mudding.
Yeah, it's actually blocking out a lot of the wind.
Yeah, I don't feel any breeze, even though there's a big gap right there.
I think the lower doors help a lot too.
Oh, yeah.
So yeah, impressions on soft enclosure for the X3. Even without having these flaps pushed down, you know, attached the way they should be with the 3M tape, it blocked out like 99% of the wind. I'm actually super happy with it as far as keeping me warm on such a cold day. Very noticeable difference from being inside to being outside of the machine. If you're looking for something cheap that you can just slap on your X3 for the winter and stay a little bit warmer while you're out there riding around, definitely recommend. Another video coming soon whenever the hard enclosure shows up. Real excited for that. Till then, y'all take care.